Java 16 has been shipped with many interesting features such as pattern matching for the instance operator, providing JPackage tool for packaging self-contained Java applications, and significant improvements on Z garbage collection, etc. However, our interest for this video is Java records. Records has been introduced in Java 14 and it was available as a preview feature in Java 14 and 15. However, with the Java 16, it got matured enough and it becomes a standard feature. Records not just helps us to avoid lots of boilerplate codes, rather it helps us to write error-prone code and many more. Let's get into demo to understand Java records much deeper. My environment is ready with Java 16 configured. If you would like to know how to configure Java 16, please watch my another video. I will provide the link in the description. Firstly, let's create an employee class with couple of attributes. Let's also create getters and setters. Let's also override toString. Now we have an employee class with couple of attributes. Let's create a new instance of this employee class. Let's set some values for each attributes. And let's run this program and observe the result. Now it's time for us to create a record class. Let's name it as employee record. Remember, record is a special class and it will be mentioned as record itself. So let's change it to record and with couple of same attributes. Let's go back to our application main class and create a new object of employee record. Okay, now we do have employee1 object and let's run this program and observe the result. Record allows us to override the default behavior. Suppose if you wanted to override toString, it is possible. Similarly, we can even override hash code, equals, and other methods. Remember, record can also be nested with an actual class. For instance, the same employee record, let's try to create it within application.java. All we need to do is create a record employee record with the attributes inside the same nested class. Everything else remains same. Let's run the program and observe the result. Let's recap what we have learned so far. We have just seen how much boilerplate code can be avoided by using records. So indirectly it helps us to write less error-prone codes. Remember, records can implement interfaces, however it cannot extend any class because record already extend a class internally. You can create your own constructors inside records, however remember all canonical constructors must be called. Records can have static or non-static methods. Remember, if you add a record inside a class in a nested manner, then it becomes implicitly static. And finally, the important aspect of Java records, it enables Java towards tuple. This is yet another interesting topic that we need to discuss it in detail in a different video. My channel is intended to provide many such tips and hacks that will help you in your day-to-day job and most likely less than 5 minutes to keep it short. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not done it and get my videos instant by clicking the bell icon. Thanks for watching. I will meet you all in the next video.